video, we are going to learn how to create an employee. For this, first we have to log into our Fresa software. First, we have to click the HR module, choose Employee Master, click Create. First, we have to fill the employee profile, enter the code, then name, select the branch name, select the employee type, and then select the department. You can also fill the personal details. Click Save. Employee is created successfully. I hope you got an idea about how to create an employee. Thank you for watching.